Hello friends and welcome to Techi. In this video series we are going to learn about Google Ads, and I am sure that you will gain something from this course which will be beneficial for your business and services. And I assure you that if you see the course completely, you will feel comfortable with Google Ads. You will be able to manage your own ads and campaigns. You can boost your business accordingly. So let's see what is Google Ads. Google Ads is a paid advertising system in which advertiser bids on a certain keyword in order for their clickable ads to appear in Google search result. In simple words, you can say you have to pay for those clicks if someone clicks on your ads. That is also called PPC, means pay per click. And if you talk about the Google stats, like Google holds almost 75% of search market all over the world, and Google receives over 63,000 search in a per second and more than 5.6 billion search on a daily basis. And if you calculate it, it will go to that approx 2 trillion search in a year. And most of the part of a Google revenue comes from Google Ads. That is 136.2 billion US dollars. 45.5% people do not know the difference between organic result and the ad result. And if you talk about some other search engines like Bing, Yahoo, Bing is just a duplicate of Google, like it is similar to a Google Ads. So let's see the difference between SERP result and the organic result. SERP result ranking comes by the search engine optimization, that is called SEO. That means if you have optimized your page in a way which gets a rank on a first page of a Google and someone clicks on that link, you not need to pay anything for that. That is called as an organic result as well. SERP means organic result, and Google ad results are a paid result on pay per click basis. Like if you are running your ads or any campaign on a Google and someone clicks on that ad, you have to pay for that click. So the difference is that Google ad you need to pay for that, and the SERP result ranking you do not need to pay anything for those clicks. So let's see how you can identify by looking on a Google page or searching anything on a Google, how you can identify which is a SERP result and which is a ad. So if you see this page, I have searched for PPC service and I have a result here like fast and easy, PPC advertising, leading PPC, PPC service, pay-per-click service. And if you can identify like which one is a SERP result, which one is a ad, and which is a organic. Let's see, if you see here AD is written here in a green box, that means it is an ad. And also on this one we can see ad, ad and ad. That means all the four results at the top are running ads, like they are the Google ads. And if you scroll down and if you see here this AJ Infotech Internet Marketing Service, these are the listing. We call them a local listing. Anyone can do this local listing and it's a free of cost. Like if I click on this one, the person will not be charged, but if I will click on this one, the advertiser will be charged for this click. And if I go down, you can see here, now here you cannot see anything written like ads. So this is a organic result. These all are the organic result. And the number, if someone says which is the position 1 in a SERP, that means these are the ad, this is not a SERP result, these are the listing, and this one is a number 1 position for the SERP result. This is a number 1 position, like PPC Delhi, top PPC service company India. This one is a number 1 position, because if they stop their ad, like all these 4 company, if they stop their ad right now, that means this will appear on the top. But right now there are 4 ads, so they are appearing because they are the paid ads, and Google wants the money from them, so it's showing these results on the top, and these are the SERP result. And let me show you, if someone asks you like how many ads, like how many total ads Google show on one page, like on its first page, how many ads are can be displayed by the Google. So the answer is the 4 ads will be displayed at the top, like 1 2 3 4, and 3 ads at the bottom. These are the total ad, like 4 plus 3 7. So you can see the 4 ads are the top. This is the listing, this is a SERP result, and if I scroll down at the bottom, like now the page is ended. Here the page ends, and you can see one ad more, another, and these are the 3 ads. So 3 at the bottom and 4 at the top, like total ad can be displayed by the Google on a single page is 7. And most of the time you care about only first page, so the number of ads are 7 on a one page, like on the first page only a 7 ad can be displayed by the Google, and you will never get the result same result again and again, which means like if I refresh this page, it's not sure that I will get the same result. Maybe I will get some other result, like these listing may get at the top and ad may go down. If I refresh this, see here, I refresh the page and the keyword is the same. So this is called a rotation, like if sometime Google want everyone to get the business, like now the first position is AJ Infomedia, now this person will also get the business. And again if I refresh, okay, now it's giving me again this result. But if you refresh it again and again, and it also depends on the location as well, like what kind of a result it will show you on a page. And I refreshed it, and at the bottom you can see if I had, now I have only 2 ads. So it's rotating those ads, there's a chance for everyone, like if Google has 100 clicks, that means it will rotate the ads, like everyone gets some clicks from Google, so that every business can be benefited by the Google. So I hope you are clear with the listing, you are clear with the organic result, and you know the total number of ads on a Google page. And let me show you one more thing. I have a Google SERP counter here, and I have another query for if I see here, I have another query for laptop repair. See here, I have another query for the laptop repair, and if you see here, this is a listing. And most of the time if you are talking about service like PPC service, PPC management, PPC is a service, laptop repair is also a service. Whenever you are dealing more with service, there are more chance you get these listing. And this is a counter, like Google SERP counter plugin I have installed on a Google Chrome, and it will show me the rank, like this is a #1 rank on a SERP result. If I see here and see PPC service, and you can see all the 4 results again are here, and the #1 is on Internet Explorer. It's showing me #1 as a tech magnet. And again if I go to the Google and see, the #1 position is by tech magnet. So in a SERP, the first position for this keyword, the PPC service keyword, is has been occupied by this tech magnet. So I hope you are clear with this SERP result and ads. So guys, in our next video we will start our journey of creating a new Google ad account. We will create a campaign, we will create a new ad group, we will create some ads. So I hope if you found this video informative, please do subscribe the channel for more coming updates, and let's meet in the next video.